Hey guys, Dan Peroni here at the Tornador booth at the Car Wash Show in Las Vegas 2021. We got a lot of new and exciting tools here to show you at the Tornador booth, so come on down.
You can see all the dirt and everything that we're picking up out of it. Time to swivel errands like this.
Yes, my name's Jacob Medina. Just here with the Tornado cleaners here, and I'll definitely have used this product plenty of times. I used to run a bunch of detail shops out in the Little Rock area, and the first time I ever experienced using this, it was like a lifesaver, definitely. I'd recommend this to anybody that's in the detailing. I'm not in it anymore, but I mean, even for your personal use at home, cars, car seats, car floorboards, anything, I guarantee you this right here, this product definitely works.
Hi, I'm Molly Hicks and I'm from Gary's Quick Lube in Tecumseh, Michigan. Hello, we use this Tornador Black to help clean up the engine compartment on a F-150 Ford, and it helped to really clean up the felt in the back of the engine compartment. We got all the oil out and it did a really fantastic job.
That's going to be dry in 5, 10, 15 minutes.
Awesome. Yeah, that's nice. I'm extracting now.
I need a new
but
one.
I'm having to use too much machinery. So this is giving me a downsize, and at the same time being able to have the same cleaning power. So yeah, that's awesome. I like that.
And then come down here.
Carlos from True Waterless.
Ansel from True Waterless.
We're longtime users of the Tornado Classic, and we're excited to start using the new products that Tornado has, and I'm so excited and can't wait to start using them on our customers' vehicles at our car wash in Hollywood.
So I really highly recommend this for anybody that's a detailer. Not only does it help with your engine compartment when you get on the inside of your car, it really helps to get your console and everything really cleaned up. It's super easy to use and it does a fantastic job.
Dump a bucket of water. Hold the trigger in there a couple times. You're going to have a clean phone. Love it.
Hi, Chris Peroni back again, and I just want to say thank you for coming and seeing us at the Las Vegas Convention Center for the Car Wash Show. It's been a hard, tough year, and we just want to take this moment to thank all of our customers for their support, and we want you to stay safe this holiday season. Again, happy holidays, and we'll see you next year.